library Tabulate to extract data from a JSON file and then to generate and create a table. So here first I opened a JSON file. It has these three keys: ID, first name, and family name. Then I opened another file for format. It's for another code, for another video. And then here I'm going to simply print the content I imported from JSON file. So the JSON is structured in this way. I have a list of dictionaries. Each dictionary has three keys, and to be able to print the values of the dictionary as a table, I first installed Tabulate library, and then I simply called Tabulate with the list that I imported from the JSON file using json.load. I specified the format, one of the many formats available in the library. I chose get, and here because I have dictionaries, I specified headers as the headers as keys. So when you run the code, you will get this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.